A man arrested by the FBI in Hadley earlier this week is now being held in custody awaiting a detention hearing next Tuesday.
22 News reporter Julia O'Keefe has new information revealed in court documents about chemicals that are now missing from that home.
43-year-old Jacob Miller was arrested following an FBI search of his Hadley home on Tuesday. It is unclear why a search warrant was issued, but that search revealed a box containing 50 rounds of .45 caliber ammunition in the home. Agents then received a separate search warrant to open 2 safes at Miller's bedside, where they allegedly found 6 illegal guns. According to federal court documents, he is facing a federal charge of unlawful possession of ammunition and firearms by a person previously convicted of a crime. Those previous convictions dating back to 2004 and including a single count of possession of child pornography and 2 counts of possession of an explosive device. According to court documents, federal agents also found a large collection of radiological and chemical materials that were photographed and inventoried, but they were not seized. The Massachusetts Department of Environmental Protection was there during the initial search, and those materials made them, quote, greatly concerned about Miller's potential impacts to public safety. They then urged a full search of the residence and removal of remaining hazardous materials. Now, following his arraignment Wednesday, Miller was released subject to pretrial conditions, including consent for Mass DEP to search his residence. And the court permitted he could go back to that residence to retrieve clothing and his cat. But when Mass DEP began their search of the residence around 9 the morning of April 10th, those hazardous materials, including large quantities of mercury, appeared to be missing. According to court documents, Miller appears to have removed or had these substances removed either after the FBI's search of his residence or after his initial appearance in court. Those documents allege he lied to Mass DEP about there being any mercury stored in his house at all. It was this second search and missing materials that led Judge Catherine Robertson to order Miller be detained pending a detention hearing due to his presenting, quote, grave danger to the community if released. That hearing is scheduled in United States District Court for Tuesday, April 15th. Working for you, Julia O'Keefe, 22 News.